Hello guys, in this video we will work on post settings. Post settings is the settings related to a post. For example, if I click on it, this page is the post page. Okay, on the post setting we will able to change the settings. Like you can see, we don't see the featured image here. Okay, and this is not a good thing. Almost 99% blogs show the featured image on the detail page. This is basically the detail page of the post. Okay, so we also want this featured image to appear on the detail page. Okay, and we will change all these settings on post settings page. Okay, so this is the post settings. It's time to change the settings. Okay, first we have post settings box. The first option we see here is show featured image by default, and you can see it is turned off. Turn this on, save changes, and it will show the featured image on the detailed page. That's what we want. So let's refresh it and see, now we have featured image on this page. Amazing. So this is what we want. This is the caption related to this picture. You can always change it when you upload the picture. Okay, alright, so this is amazing. The next setting we have here is the post author box. This one right here. Okay, if you want it or not. Okay, post author box, you can turn this off if you want. So I'm gonna turn this off, save changes, refresh. See, now it is gone. Okay, alright, so let me see what other settings we want. Okay, the next is next preview articles. You can see here we have previous article and we don't have any other next article, so that's why we are not seeing any article. We have a previous article we can go to by clicking on it. So you can, if you don't want to see this, you can turn this off, but I recommend you to keep this on. Okay, the next is OG meta setting and reading position indicator. So I recommend you to keep these two settings as it is. Okay, so don't touch them. Okay, the next thing we have is about the meta settings. You guys know what meta is. Meta is basically this this right here: author, time, category, comment, views. These are the metas. So you can post meta, turn this on, off. Meta is basically this whole box, this whole area. If you want to disable this whole box, this whole bar or row, just disable it. Okay, so all of this will be gone. But if I recommend you to keep this on. And now you can turn any feature you want on or off. Okay, views, tags, comments, turn on or off. You already know about these settings. Okay, next we have is share post settings that you see here. Facebook, Twitter, all these share icons. You can turn this off if you want. Okay, but you can see we have a lot of other options here, but I recommend you to keep this off because we will use another plugin, and that plugin is very amazing. A lot of other blogs use that plugin. Okay, and that plugin is amazing, and that plugin tells us how many shares are on Facebook, Twitter, Google, and all these. Okay, and that is amazing plugin. Okay, so let's turn this feature off. Okay, turn both of these off. If you want to have these on bottom and on the top, turn both of these on. Okay, bottom and top, but we don't want anywhere, just keep both of these off. Share buttons for pages, turn this off. Like I said, I have a whole video on this share. Okay, and I will cover everything about this share. So right now just turn these settings off. Okay, we don't need to turn this on or off because we have just disabled it. Okay, let's refresh it and these will be gone. Save changes, refresh. Like you can see, share buttons are gone. Okay, the next thing we have is related post settings. Related post is basically the post that is in the same category. Okay, right now we have only one post in the health category, that's why we are not seeing any related post. But when we have another post related to the health, we will see that post between these content, inside this content, and that will not look good. We want the related post to show on the bottom of this post. Okay, so what you need to do on the related post settings box, keep this on. Okay, I recommend you to keep this on. What we need to change is this related post position. We don't want it to be in the post content area, okay, because it is not look good in there. Just keep it below the post area, and by clicking below the post area we will have the post below this post. Okay, so keep this below the post area. Okay, how much post you want? 3 or 4 or 5, whatever number you want. Okay, you can change it. Okay, the next we have number of posts to show in full width pages. Keep it 4. It 4 looks good. Okay, all right. Query type, where you want to get the post, related post in the same category, or post in the same text, or post by the same author. Okay, what kind of related post you want? Post by same author or category or tags, but I recommend you to keep the same category. For example, a person is on this health post, definitely he want to see the post related to the health. He don't want to see the post related to the technology on the health page. Okay, so keep it in the related category. Okay, next thing we have is fly check also box. Fly check also box is when you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a box right here on this area that will see a related post. Okay, it will say see also, and there will be a box here and it will see when you will be on the bottom. Okay, when you will be on the bottom, then there will be a box. That box is called the fly check box. Okay, so turn the fly check box, and you can also change the query type to same category, same tag, same author, but like I said, always keep same categories. Okay, next thing we have is Jquery comment settings. Keep it off. Okay, we don't want to change any settings, any comment settings. So we are done with the post settings. There are very few settings left. Okay, and I will cover the rest of the settings in the next video. Okay, we don't want to change all of these settings. All of the important settings are almost covered related to our theme. So rest of the settings will be covered in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.